Today is the 25th of October 2010, and this is a report back on a meeting I attended in Bangkok, the first Asian Regional Adaptation Forum, on the 21st and 22nd of October 2010 in Bangkok. It was a major event with over 500 people from around the region, representing governments, UN agencies, the Asian Development Bank, other agencies, NGOs and researchers. Very large gathering, very interesting discussions. There were 6 different thematic discussions going on, mainly around the issue of mainstreaming climate change adaptation into development. A lot of questions, a lot of people coming into climate change adaptation for the first time, trying to figure out what the difference between development and adaptation is, and trying to look at the potential impacts of climate change on development, at the same time as looking at potential sources of funding for adaptation in the region. My impression is that Asia is moving forward very fast. Many countries in Asia are developing adaptation plans, looking at integrating adaptation into development. Countries in Southeast Asia as well as in South Asia, perhaps leading the developing world in terms of mainstreaming adaptation into development, and many lessons to be learned from that. The summary of the meeting is going to be on the UNEP Bangkok website, the adaptation knowledge platform that United Nations Environment Program in Bangkok have set up, along with a number of other partners. And this is going to be a first in a series which will be probably an annual event, either in Bangkok every year or perhaps in other parts of Asia as well. And we hope that in future years we'll be able to share a lot more of the learning that people are acquiring on implementing adaptation at different scales, from national planning to sectoral planning in the food and agriculture, the water sectors, and also at the community level. There was a session on community-based adaptation, which I led along with FAO and CARE. A lot of discussions, very good attendance, a lot of sharing of knowledge on community-based adaptation, and looking forward to the next international conference, the 5th International Conference on Community-Based Adaptation, which is going to take place in Bangladesh in March 2011.